First 3 parts? 3.
ज़्यादा दिमाग इस्तेमाल मत करो, ये क्या है?
Who is Janvi?
I'm just a girl who likes to eat food. I'm having a phase with ghee podi rice and sometimes rava fry fish with it.
Why are you doing? What are you doing, Janvi?
मैं समाज का हिस्सा हूँ, मैं एक हिंदू हूँ, मैं मेरे कल्चर और मेरे समाज के बारे में इतना कम जानती हूँ। मैं अंबेडकर रोड पे रहती हूँ और मुझे इस चीज़ की इतिहास के बारे में इतनी कम जानकारी है, शर्म आनी चाहिए मुझे। वो एक होता है ना, IB स्कूल में थी और मेरे दोस्त सारे NRI थे, तो मैं भी फेक एक्सेंट लगा के कूल लगने की कोशिश करती थी, which was very stupid. I for some reason picked Spanish. Es muy caliente, mi casa cerca de la iglesias, in Devra specifically. खुल के बस मजे करने को मिल रहा है, मैं नाच रही हूँ बीच पे, ये कर रही हूँ, वो कर रही हूँ, रोमांस कर रही हूँ, लुक्स दे रही हूँ। फाइनली मैं ठुमके करूंगी स्क्रीन पे।
Do you miss this girl?
No, she's quite dumb. I remember the first thing I said to Karan was, please don't cancel shoot. I need to show up to shoot, otherwise I'll go mad. उन्होंने कहा अरे ये तो PR trained है. So what was so ironic कि मेरी टीम तो वो हिस्से को काटने की कोशिश कर रही थी और लोग समझ रहे कि मुझे ट्रेनिंग देके के भेजा गया कि
The guys crashed it too, right?
we planned it.
Okay,
We're very like needy as a group.
What do you think about situationship?
Just seems like a very retarded concept to me. जो भी आप लड़कियों को ऐसे बीच में अटका रहा है ना, लात मार के बाहर निकालो।
Romantic girl next door or badass action avatar? इनको देख के ही शी दे सबका दिल धड़क ही जाता है। She's not only taking the right risks at the movies but also keeping it super real outside. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Bollywood's it girl, Miss Janvi Kapoor. Look at that energy.
जान में जान आ गई।
जान में जान आ गई। But welcome to Mashable Mehfil.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, such an honor. Congratulations. Ulaj looks crazy good.
Thank you. I'm so nervous.
You
I'm
are?
so nervous. Very nervous.
You have nothing to be nervous about. You know, we have seen the shy girl next door, obviously. ये तो पूरा शेर खा जाएगी. Yeah.
कोशिश तो वही है.
Yeah.
But no, but like it's very different from anything I've done before. And let's be real, काफ़ी हाई रिस्क फिल्म है आई थिंक आज के दौर पे ऐसी फिल्म को रिलीज़ करना, एक फीमेल लेड फिल्म। और आजकल जब सब मिर्च मसाले वाले फिल्म्स चल रहे हैं, हमने ये निर्णय लिया कि हम ये फिल्म के साथ थिएटर्स में आना चाह रहे हैं। सो ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नर्वस बट आई एम होपफुल, क्योंकि आई थिंक हम बहुत प्राउड फील करते हैं इस फिल्म को लेकर एंड इस कहानी को लेकर। बहुत ही अलग दुनिया है। आई एम सॉरी आपने कुछ और सवाल पूछा, लेकिन मैं मेरे भाषण के साथ एक अच्छी
anyway, No, the first thing when we see the trailer, you know, the first thing that hits you obviously is the great cast. You know, there's you, there's Gulshan, but there's also this nepotism jab. थोड़ा मेटा हो गया।
मैंने बोला कि बाकी सबके बोलने से पहले मैं ही बोल देती हूँ ट्रेलर में।
Exactly. But are you tired of that question now, Janvi? Like answering about nepotism and privilege. Does that tire you now? Are you bored of it?
I honestly, जब मैं माही प्रमोट कर रही थी, जो कि मेरी पिछली फिल्म थी, I wasn't asked it as much as I used to get asked that question. I'm hoping after the release of Mahi, I'll be asked it even less. देखिए, everyone's doing their job. They need to ask me something. It is a big reality of where I come from. It is my life और मैं इस चीज़ से भाग नहीं सकती, ये मेरी सच्चाई है। और आई थिंक मैं हर स्टेज पर बहुत क्लियर रही हूँ कि ये प्रिविलेज के बावजूद या ये प्रिविलेज के कारण भी मैं दुगनी मेहनत करना चाहती हूँ, वो हर एक मौके को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए। इट्स नॉट दैट डीप। अभी मैं बीच में पक गई थी, थक गई थी, लेकिन अभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि अगर पूछना तो पूछो, कोई इतना डीप नहीं है लाइफ में। हर इंसान की कहानी अलग होती है, हर इंसान का बैगेज अलग होता है। एंड दिस इज माइन, इट्स फाइन। मुझे नतीजे का कुछ पता नहीं, वो लोग तो आप सब डिसाइड करते हैं, लेकिन हर सेट पे मैं ये बस ठान लेती हूँ कि आई नीड टू बी द हार्डेस्ट वर्किंग पर्सन ऑन सेट, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक अगर बाकी लोगों को लग रहा है कि अच्छा इससे आसानी से मौका मिला, शी इज टेकन समवन एल्सेस प्लेस, सो फॉर दोज पीपल, फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई नीड टू वर्क doubly hard and that's not, वो कोई निराश होने की बात नहीं है, सबकी जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ संघर्ष तो होता ही है, और ये संघर्ष नहीं है, मुझे एक्टिंग करने का मौका मिल रहा है, तो अगर 2-3 ताने झेलने पड़ते हैं, कौन सी बड़ी बात है यार, क्या मतलब।
What a lovely way to look at
fine.
it. Yeah, please. You know, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि who is Janhvi? You know, obviously beyond the actor tag, beyond the daughter of the greats, you know, who is Janhvi?
I'm just a girl who likes to eat food.
How relatable is that? Same. But I have another worry कि you know I have to watch what I eat because then it shows up everywhere.
No, even I have to watch it.
Yeah, we all have to. I mean, it's a girl problem, I guess. You are self-aware, yes, but you also don't take yourself seriously. There is a clip जो हर 2-3 दिन में मेरे feed पे आ जाता है. Can we please watch this?
Exact. Reshoot it. Restart. No, I need to keep it natural. Like my face.
इतना cool होने का procedure क्या है?
Procedure?
Yes.
बस अपने काम को सीरियसली लो, अपने आप को सीरियसली मत लो। ये जो सोशल मीडिया के कल्चर में whether you're a public figure or not a public figure, ये ट्रोलिंग होना, लोगों का कमेंट करना नहीं करना, ये होते रहता है। आपको अपने आप को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देना ही नहीं चाहिए कि आप ही एकलौते इंसान हो दुनिया में, सब लोग मेरे पीछे पड़े हैं, मेरे पे कमेंट कर रहे हैं। इट्स नॉट दैट सीरियस। वो लोग कमेंट करना है करेंगे और फिर कल भूल भी जाएंगे। सो डोंट फील, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स हार्ड एंड समटाइम्स यू फील बैड, बट अगर आपका सेल्फ इमेज और जिस तरह से आप अपने आप को वैल्यू करते हो वो सही है ना, तो लोग जो भी कहे इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता और नहीं पड़ना चाहिए।
करेक्ट।
तो अपने आप को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस दो ही मत। आज तारीफ करेंगे, बड़ा चढ़ा के बोल देंगे कि हाँ सो ब्यूटीफुल, सो नेचुरल, सो रियल, सो जो जिन चीज़ों के लिए आज मेरी तारीफ कर रहे, कल उन्हीं चीज़ों के लिए गाली दे देंगे, मैं क्या घर पे बैठ के रोने लगूंगी। इट्स वेरी यू कांट, आप अपने आप को जैसे देखते हो वही सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Which is so lovely, like it's so great that you have that distinction. A lot of people don't. I mean, or especially trolling के दुनिया में, social media, and forgive me for the lack of a better word, they come down heavy on nepo kids, right? It's incessant.
Yeah.
Like, do you sometimes like switch off and Instagram delete, deactivate? Do you do that?
No.
Yeah, no.
I like posting my pictures.
Oh, they are nice photos. They're some nice photos. That's lovely though. That's lovely. You know, you are a few films old, Janhvi, but the kind of जो risks आप लेते हैं, बहुत सारे seasoned actors, मतलब जिनको हो गया है काफी टाइम, वो लोग भी नहीं ले पाते हैं,
क्योंकि वो मेरे से ज्यादा होशियार है शायद। मुझे भी सीखना चाहिए।
No, seriously, but does that come from the place कि नहीं, I have to prove myself?
I think it did come from that. Honestly, like I said, मैं इतनी nervous हूँ इस फिल्म को लेकर that a couple days ago I was thinking कि मतलब मैं बहुत ही आसान जर्नी चुन सकती थी। मैं इस फिल्म के जगह या मेरे पिछले कुछ फिल्मों के जगह मैं बहुत आसानी से बड़ी कमर्शियल फिल्म्स कर सकती थी, जहाँ ग्लैमर होता, जहाँ बहुत आसानी से रीच मिल जाता, पॉपुलैरिटी हो जाता, बॉक्स ऑफिस का नंबर गारंटीड होता। वो बहुत आसान जर्नी है और उसमें सक्सेस रेट ऑलमोस्ट गारंटीड है। किसी भी चीज़ में गारंटीड नहीं है, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स सक्सेस रेट उसमें काफ़ी हाई है, इसमें बहुत रिस्क है। सो आई नो इट्स अ लॉन्गर गेम, आई नो इट्स अ टफर गेम, बट लाइक आई सेड, मैंने शुरुआत में ठान लिया था कि मुझे ईजी जर्नी में इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, स्पेशली क्योंकि आई थिंक एक सच्चे आर्टिस्ट होने के नाते अगर आपको अपने अभिनय पे, अपनी कला पे काम करना है, तो ये आसान डिसीजंस लेकर आप you won't go the long way. So I know that the risk rate is high. I know that realistically, if we're looking at box office, there have been more misses than hits because of the nature of the high risk films that I've chosen. But I feel that my growth as an artist has been more gratifying than it would have been if I picked the easier route, and I'm happy about that.
So well put, and it shows. It clearly shows. I mean, your fans, they can obviously see it. In fact, you're going to like foray into South Indian films as well. Are you excited about that?
Yes, it was like a moment where I was like, अभी हो गया, risks ले लिए, अभी मजे भी करती हूँ.
Yes.
It was that. Because honestly, it's what comes naturally to me. It really feels like a homecoming. Finally, you know, in Devra specifically, it's a character जहाँ मतलब खुल के बस मजे करने को मिल रहा है. मैं नाच रही हूँ बीच पे, ये कर रही हूँ, वो कर रही हूँ, रोमांस कर रही हूँ, लुक्स दे रही हूँ. Of course, with the second part of the film is when my character will really come out. But I'm just having so much fun because I love how they look at me in the South, I guess. The makers, the writers, Shiva sir, the director of our film, I think the way that he's trying to present me, the scenes that he's given me, they're just a lot of fun because it's that namak wali, natkhat wali.
Oh, namak.
Yeah, I love all of that.
You love that.
जो मैं मतलब रोक रही हूँ अपने आप को कि यहाँ करने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा, यहाँ मैं अपने आप को फ्रिज में डाल रही हूँ, 2 साल के लिए क्रिकेट खेल रही हूँ, उलझ रही हूँ. So yeah, I finally जो भी खुन्नस इतने सालों से बिल्डअप हो रहा था, मैंने जाके उस सेट में उतार दिया. And now I think I'm allowing myself to just have fun because I've given so much to these last couple of films. Then I was like, you know, I'm going to allow myself to do what comes naturally to me, which is the Devra, which is the Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari.
Correct.
So I'm now rewarding myself those experiences.
As you should,
also.
and we are like really like waiting for those films and to see you having fun. I'm
Finally,
sure we
मैं
also have
घूम के
fun.
करूँगी screen पे. So excited.
You know, फिलहाल एक्चुअली जब आप प्रमोट कर रहे थे अपनी पिछली फिल्म, आपने एक इंटरव्यू में ये कहा था कि you would love to see a debate between Ambedkar ji and Gandhi ji, and you know, obviously you had your reasons. So the internet collectively gasped, right?
Why? Is it so hard to believe that a female young actress can have an opinion?
Thank you
Like
for
I was
saying
so
that.
shocked.
Thank you for saying that.
And you know, the irony, I remember that one of the reactions to that was that everyone was like, "Arey, ye to PR trained hai, PR plug hai." And I'll tell you this, till a day before the interview came out, I mean, I said it very like in conversation,
Yeah,
it came
yeah.
out, and then after that interview got over, I looked at my PR people, I said, कुछ गलत तो नहीं बोला ना मैंने? They said, वो शायद एक चीज़ पिकअप हो सकता है, लेकिन हम देखते हैं. So I said, ठीक है. And then the next day, I just started panicking. I said, I don't want any, like the film's just about to release. पता नहीं क्या कौन से angle में लोग क्या बोलने लगेंगे. I don't know if it's the right thing. And then my PR people also started getting a little hyper, and they started making the call saying, हम वो हिस्से को काट सकते हैं, please निकाल सकते हैं. हमें unwanted attention नहीं चाहिए. हमें movie पर attention करना है. ये थोड़ा risk है. काट लो. And they said, no, we don't want to cut it. And so that's what was so ironic कि मेरी टीम तो वो हिस्से को काटने की कोशिश कर रही थी और लोग समझ रहे कि मुझे ट्रेनिंग देके के भेजा गया कि मैं
कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं दी गई है, of course. I mean, it kind of exposed that preconceived notion, right? कि अरे.
But you know, you can't blame anyone if you go for interviews and the most exciting thing for audiences to know and for journalists to ask is, oh, what are you wearing today? And सुना है कि आप एक relationship में हो. Then मैं इसमें कहाँ से घुसाऊँ कि आज पता है मैंने क्या पढ़ा था या क्या देखा था. You can't like.
Yeah. We need to ask better questions, really.
No, I'm not blaming you, but it's a little bit of both. I think sometimes as actors we are also reserved. We feel like things can be misconstrued and stuff like that. But it really just came from a very honest place. I was spending a lot of time with a director that you all must all know of, Neeraj Ghewan. He was telling me about his story and his life and his baggage and the things that he's dealt with. He's of course from the community, and I think that just sparked curiosity in my head that मैं समाज का हिस्सा हूँ, मैं एक हिंदू हूँ, मैं मेरे कल्चर और मेरे समाज के बारे में इतना कम जानती हूँ. मैं अम्बेडकर रोड पे रहती हूँ और मुझे इस चीज़ की इतिहास के बारे में इतनी कम जानकारी है, शर्म आनी चाहिए मुझे. So I got quite triggered. And I read Annihilation of Caste, and I watched a couple of videos, and I think it's a never-ending process, and I would encourage all of you all to, आपको अपनी इतिहास के बारे में, अपनी society के बारे में जितनी जानकारी मिल सके, please अपने आप को educate कीजिए. I think as the youth of this country, it's very important to make informed decisions for this society to progress. I don't know why I've become this teacher suddenly, but I know it's changed me. I know reading that one book has changed me
you.
quite a bit. It's just opened up every film I see, every piece of literature I read, every conversation I have, हर जो मैं social environment में रहती हूँ, मैं भी हर एक चीज़ को अलग तरीके से परखने लगी हूँ, क्योंकि ये एक awareness आ गई है, क्योंकि ये हमारे समाज का इतना बड़ा हिस्सा है, हमें पता भी नहीं है कि हमारे अंदर ये इतना ingrained है, classism और casteism.
Yeah.
और हम इन चीज़ों के बारे में बात नहीं करते, जो कि काफ़ी हमें शर्मिंदा महसूस होना चाहिए. So we should encourage awareness about these things, and I'm very thankful to Neeraj sir because he's always encouraged me to educate myself about things like this. From this.
And honestly, कौन बोला कि हम अगर पढ़ते भी हैं हम मेकअप एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते या स्टाइल एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते? I mean, it's not exclusive, right?
Yeah, I don't think so.
I mean, I'm sure you enjoy your glam as well.
I do.
Yeah.
I really do. Yeah.
Switching gears, but what is your style? If you're not doing like a full glam, what is your go-to style?
Pajamas and a night
Pajamas?
suit. Yeah.
Comfort over style.
Yeah. Like I was at an event recently, like a wedding party, and my friend looked at me and she said, "Oh, you're looking so nice, but what's the point? You're gonna change in 2 minutes," which is what I do. Like,
Is it the haldi thing that we're talking about?
No, it was the Sangeet.
Oh,
they
okay.
said that I was the queen of changing into track pants and leaving and going to sleep.
I mean, relatable. Again, you also like your roots, right? You are very fond of, like, you love going back to Tirupati and you love your Kanjivarams. I think somewhere you also mentioned कि मैं शादी करूँगी तो Kanjivaram साड़ी में, and the husband has to wear like a dhoti.
Yeah,
That is
lungi,
happening.
Yeah, a veshti.
A veshti. Correct. Thank you. Lovely. Let's play a fun game. Okay, it's called Would You Rather. I'll throw like quick questions at you and then you have to be quick with the answers. Yeah? So would you rather party till 2 a.m. or go for a hike at 6 a.m.?
Neither.
Neither? Then what's...
6 a.m. is very early.
Yeah. What is like the optimum, like...
I like an evening hike, like a sunset hike.
Sunset.
Yeah.
You're nice. Even I'm sunset ke lover. Great. Cook your favorite meal or order from outside?
No, I'll make Harish ji cook my favorite meal.
Lovely. High heels or flats?
Flats.
Okay.
But depends. If I'm walking on a red carpet with my sister who's like 10 feet tall, फिर तो heels पहनने पड़ते हैं. Although I tell her to stand away from me on a red carpet.
Really?
इतनी लंबी लगती है, मैं नाटी लगती हूँ उसके साथ.
Do a dance number with Hrithik Roshan. और अभी तो यार विकी कौशल भी तौबा.
He has killed it.
Right?
He has smashed it.
You're all
He's
stripping.
too good.
So do a dance with either Hrithik or Vicky, or act in a drama with Mr. Bachchan. Tough one. You did quick.
I wanna. I just shot for a song with NTR sir, and I can't wait to shoot our next song together. So I think I'll pick that. I wanna dance with NTR sir.
Okay, great, lovely. I think ये आपने अभी बताया. Do a Masi Masala movie or an Oscar-winning artsy film.
अभी हो गया. अभी मासी मसाला.
Red carpet in a sari or a gown.
सारी है.
Yeah. Just the. It's
Yeah,
like sexy
yeah.
personified.
It's
like
the best.
just is the best. Romantic girl next door or badass action avatar?
Romantic girl till the interval point, and then someone kidnaps her love interest, and then she becomes a badass.
You should write that. You should sell that. Long drive in the rain or stay at home and enjoy chai and pakoras?
I don't like chai or pakoras.
No. Oh damn. Then what is your like monsoon? Mein what is the hot chocolate?
Yeah, hot chocolate, or like I'm having a phase with the ghee puri rice.
Oh,
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah, I mean that's
And
unbeatable.
sometimes rava fry fish with it. Yeah.
Why are you doing? What are you doing, Janvi? But you know, obviously this was fun. Let's do the funner thing, huh? We'll go there. Something called Act It Out. So there are some movies. It's like a dumb charade. मुझे भी नहीं पता ये movies क्या है. So you have to like obviously act it out. Let's go with the first one.
Can they also help? They can all the ऐसे खड़े बेचारे. They can also help
Of
you.
course, please.
For
4 words.
Hindi.
First word. Break it. Okay. First part. Dil.
Okay. Yeah.
दिल वाले
Yeah.
बिगिनिंग में हो गया वाह यार. हाँ, let's go for the next one. 3 words. Hindi. First word. ध्यान. Too good at this, Janvi.
Okay. I don't know how else to do this.
One word. Hindi. Sorry.
No.
Khan. I suck at this. Payal.
अरे यार.
Payal.
हाँ. Say it together. हाँ. So what is it? Think of a film. Yes. I guess it's 2 words.
2 words. Okay.
I guess so.
First word. Boy. मर्द. आदमी. मर्द. अरे हिंदी कुछ भारी भरकम वर्ड बताओ.
नहीं इंग्लिश में
अच्छा,
उसका
English में.
इंग्लिश क्या होता है?
राजू बन गया जेंटलमैन. नो.
No, it comes like before. Okay,
Do
second.
the second one. लड़की. एक्ट्रेस.
क्या बोल रहे हो आप लोग? नहीं.
एक काम करते हैं. This you can do the dialogue, I guess.
No, I won't give up.
Okay.
अरे यार.
क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Human. अर्थ.
किसी हाँ. मैं मिस्टर बोल रही थी.
Sorry. You were there. That's the spirit. Okay.
ये वाला.
2 words. First. 3 parts. 3. ए रुको.
ज्यादा दिमाग इस्तेमाल मत करो. ये क्या है?
3.
Second was.
Oh, 3 idiots.
हो गया, खाली हो गया ये.
Oh, great. What a sport. अभी यहाँ आ ही गए हैं तो डांस करके जाएं.
हाँ चलो. जीतने का हुक स्टेप ही करना है ना.
या.
Ching 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 chingat ching 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 chingat.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, okay. Great.
And then follow me up.
हाँ, I will.
Yeah, ching 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 chingat. Ching 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 ching. Ching 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 ching. Ching 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 ching.
आ जाइए. थोड़ा पानी पीते हैं. आइए. Be careful. खैर ये तो मस्ती मजाक हो गया. मतलब which is very important obviously. But it's time to talk about your heroine arc. Let's go to the first scene.
God, I was such a kid.
Yeah, but so raw.
Yeah, wrong.
So raw. Do you miss this girl?
No, she's quite dumb.
What?
Can we not watch it? It's making me like.
No, I wanted to talk about this scene because obviously, this is his Dharma, dreamy debut. But it was far from dreamy also because. Okay, can we let's move to the next scene. Oh. First scene पे चले जाते हैं.
हाँ
यहाँ रोक दो, यहाँ रोक दो, बस. You were clearly going through a lot in your personal life,
Yeah.
but you showed up, you did your job, and like we talked, I mean, this was obviously like a great box office, success. But there were also some people who tried to write you off. आज उन सबको गलत प्रूफ करके कैसा लग रहा है?
पता नहीं.
Never thought about it.
No, but you know what I realized is that आप इस वक्त पे जब मैंने ये फिल्म के बाद गुंजन सक्सेना साइन की थी, मैंने ये सोच लिया था कि अब ये लोग देखेंगे कि मैं एक्टिंग कर सकती हूँ, फिर सब लोग खुलेआम मुझे अपना लेंगे और फिर लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. ऐसे होता ही नहीं है. ऐसे
नहीं.
वो जो एक टिपिंग पॉइंट जो जहाँ आपको लगता है कि अभी पूरी दुनिया मुझसे प्यार करती है, वो मे बी आई एम जस्ट अनअवेयर अबाउट हाउ पीपल सी मी. शायद वो एक कॉन्शियस एफर्ट है कि मैं प्यार और नफरत दोनों चीज़ों को थोड़ा दूर रखने की कोशिश करती हूँ अभी. लेकिन आई डोंट थिंक देयर विल एवर बी अ पॉइंट वेयर यू विन एवरीवन ओवर.
Right.
So you can't look for that. Like I said, I know that there were many shortcomings in this performance. I know I gave it my best, but I would have done a lot differently. One thing I remember clearly is when जब वो घटना हुई भी थी, I think on the first day itself, obviously I was in shock, but I remember the first thing I said to Karan was, please don't cancel shoot, I need to show up to shoot, otherwise I'll go mad.
Yeah.
And I think when people say that, how did you work despite all of it, I think that if I worked to survive it, it wasn't like, अच्छा मैं एहसान करके काम कर रही हूँ. It was, I needed to work, otherwise it would have been very bad for me.
And which is why it is such a big part of your journey, because of the professionalism you imbibed, I think, in unfortunate situations, yes, but like I said, you showed up and you did your job. So yay. Okay, let's go to the next one.
हाँ सर, पागल हो गई मैं.
We don't need to watch it. Can we not watch it?
मैं पागल हूँ ना ये सोचने के लिए.
You can't watch yourself on
Not
on
this.
screen?
This
Okay.
scenes. There were many good scenes in this movie.
Okay,
You picked this one only.
I'll tell you why.
पंजा वाला लगा देते इसमें मैं.
But I picked this because I wanted to ask you, does the emotional scenes, of course, the drama, does it come naturally to you?
It does, but this one was tough, and this
Okay.
one I'm still very unhappy. This is, I think, the weakest scene of mine in the whole film.
Really?
Yeah,
I
for
really
sure.
liked it. Sorry.
This
so
scene?
yeah, I did. I
No.
mean, she's coming and she's showing up
It's
for
a very
herself.
well written scene.
Yes.
But I don't like how I've performed this scene. I think there were scenes in this film that I'm very proud of, like the Panja
Panja
scene.
scene, yeah.
The Panja scene, and then also the scene where I see my brother after.
Yes.
After
Yeah,
the Kargil
yeah,
situation,
yeah.
I see him for the first time, and then even when I meet my father at the train station. So there are moments that I think were very honest and very came very naturally, and I'm very proud of those scenes.
This was
scene
tough?
and I just didn't like. I think at this point I was still not very confident मेरे हिंदी को लेकर, and I think you can kind of sense that in this. So I
But
get
have
that.
you worked on it consciously, like on the
I
Hindi, on the
have, yeah,
diction?
I have.
Yeah, and it shows. You was dropping some big words जो मैं pronounce नहीं कर सकती. But इसलिए मैं पूछ रही थी. So tears वगैरह, how do you like? वो आते हैं, or does glycerin come in?
No, I
handy?
don't like gliss, because what I've realized with glycerin, although there's nothing wrong in using it,
Yeah.
you can't graph your emotion. वो आंसू पहले से ही आ जाते हैं. तो मतलब
Premature
scene पे,
आंसू.
तो अगर कोई आपको बोल रहा है कि कैसी हो, सब कुछ ठीक है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं जी सकता, या whatever, I'm breaking up with you. So आप शुरू से थोड़ी ना रोने लगोगे. So to graph that organically, you can't use
Glycerin.
ग्लेस या वो बीच में काट के वापस आई डोंट लाइक ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो
Yeah.
आई डोंट रिलाई ऑन ग्लिस. आई थिंक अगर आप अपने कैरेक्टर को ठीक तरह से समझते हो, जानते हो, तो वो आंसू ऑटोमेटिकली आ ही जाएंगे. और मैं तो बड़ी रोतलू हूँ, तो मेरे लिए तो
चलिए नेक्स्ट सीन देखते हैं.
प्लीज भगवान के लिए कुछ अच्छा वाला. दिस आई कैन वॉच बिकॉज आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग.
The song really helps you. Still makes, like, I had a You had it too?
No, I didn't. I was looking at myself.
But you must be proud of this, right?
Yeah, this film I'm proud of.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm proud of all of my films.
Yeah.
I think I know that what we did in this film was not easy, and
Yes.
I know that not many people would have been able to deal with those circumstances.
ये scene actually YouTube पे भी है, and you know, I was going through the comments. All of them like they like पहले तो ये हमने फिल्म पहले देखी नहीं थी, और अब जब देख रहे हैं like we can't imagine we missed this film, you know, when it came out, and like obviously all of those things ki this is probably her finest work, really, you know. So do you feel that way, or you know, is Ulaj going to top that?
I hope Ulaj tops
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I definitely think that I've tried to improve with every film. I think I gave a lot to this film. And I'm very happy that despite it didn't do the numbers at the box office,
Yeah.
but when it released on Netflix, the kind of love that I got was very validating. मुझे actually एक UTI हो गया था.
Oh damn.
And it was very painful. इस सीन में है नहीं, but फिल्म में एक सेगमेंट है जहाँ मैं अपने आप को वो सेलोफिन रैप होता है ना,
Yes,
उसमें
yes.
रैप कर लेती हूँ.
हाँ.
And so they actually had to wrap me in that, and you can't use the loo for really long.
Oh, God.
It was very, and so they put me on heavy painkillers. Like there was a doctor who was injecting some, I don't know what it was. It was a bad.
Yeah.
Like this is stupid. This is a VFX rat, but
Yeah.
the real rat that I had to use.
So you actually
Nasty.
shot a scene with a real rat?
Yeah, and the thing is वो चूहा फ्रेम से बाहर भागते रहता था, तो उन्होंने एक धागे से उसके पाँव को मेरे टो से बांध लिया था ताकि वो उसी जगह पे घूमता रहे, और वो बार बार आके मेरे पाँव पे गिरता था और मेरे उंगली को ऐसे
Worst co-star ever.
the worst.
The worst. Amazing. Let's go to the pictures. What is this like? I think this was a birthday cake.
I went to Banaras after the shoot of Gunjan Saxena. I really wanted to see the Ganga Aarti because I
Right.
spent so much time with Pankaj sir. And he would keep talking about the time he spent in Varanasi and क्या वो लिट्टी चोखा
Litti chokha, yes.
and all of these local things he
Yeah.
would keep talking about, and where to get lassi. So as soon as we packed up, I was like, Papa, for my birthday, please take me to see the Ganga Aarti.
Wow. And then have litti chokha later.
Yeah.
Amazing. This was something that a slumber party that you threw, and it obviously broke
All of the girls threw it.
the
It wasn't
bridesmaids.
just me.
Yeah.
All
The
of-
Princess Diaries
Yeah.
themed.
Yeah.
How was that? Like, it's such a pretty picture. I think everything was so princess coded in it.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was very, like it wasn't last minute, but we thought it would be like much more intimate.
Huh.
And then, I mean, it was very intimate. And then in the last minute, I realized that it can't be basic. So then all of us started panicking because we honestly wanted to make her feel as special as possible. She takes such good care of us. And I think as a friend group, we just wanted to celebrate her before
Yeah.
her big moment. And yeah.
The guys crashed it too, right? They
No,
crashed-
we planned it.
okay,
We're very
okay.
like needy as a group. We need to always have each other around.
Lovely, lovely. आइए. This is Khao Gali.
Okay.
Here are the prawns and some lychees. You can start snacking on lychees here. You love lychees, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think about when it comes to situationship? Have you been any?
No.
So no comments like about
No, I
situationship.
mean, it just seems like a very retarded concept to me.
True, I mean, yeah.
Like either you like someone and then you commit to them because you want to be with them and you don't want to share them, or you're not interested, in which case you don't have time to like lead them on into all of that rubbish. मुझे बीच का समझ में नहीं आता.
Yeah.
That's true. Thanks, yeah.
जो भी आप लड़कियों को ऐसे बीच में अटका रहा है ना, लात मार के बाहर निकालो.
Janvi, I'm sure you walk a lot of red carpets. Have you had like a fashion mishap and you've like slayed after that also?
कल मैं एक ड्रेस पहन रही थी जो कि बहुत खूबसूरत सा ड्रेस था, और उसके स्लीव्स एक कोई गोल्ड ऐसे मेटल से बने हुए थे, वो सब इल्यूजन थे, और मैं तैयार हो गई थी, मैं निकलने वाली थी और वो स्लीव टूट गया. तो पूरा, और ऑनेस्टली अगर वो सेट पे हुआ होता तो मतलब चांद लग जाते, लेकिन थैंक गॉड नहीं हुआ. So then I had to wear something else, but ऐसे होता रहता है last minute. और मैं काफ़ी लेट हो गई थी फिर.
So we have seen your old video where you could be seen speaking like broken Hindi, and now we see you using like big Hindi words. So how was your journey and how was the transition like?
Honestly, I studied in a school where you could pick your second language, first being English, because all of the teachers were mainly from out of India. And I, for some reason, picked Spanish. I don't know why.
So are you like, do you know how to speak in Spanish?
Like very broken, like es muy caliente, mi casa cerca de la iglesias, like stuff like that. But मैं थोड़ी ना कोई Spanish cinema करने वाली हूँ. But and honestly,
Never say never.
no, but you should know your country's
Yes.
language.
Yes.
So it's very embarrassing that I didn't. And I think वो एक होता है ना, IB स्कूल में थी और मेरे दोस्त सारे NRI थे, तो मैं भी फेक एक्सेंट लगा के कूल लगने की कोशिश करती थी, which was very stupid. But then I realized that अगर मुझे इस देश की if I want to tell stories of this country, then I need to understand the people of this country, sound like them, tell their stories. I need to speak to this audience, and I can't do that with like Spanish.
Yeah.
And even if I wasn't an actor, I think I would have wanted to do that. It's important to be rooted, to speak the language of
course.
your country.
Yeah, yeah. And especially when you are a Hindi film heroine.
Yeah.
Real is real. Guys, please make big noise for Janhvi Kapoor. Janhvi, thank you so much. This has been such a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you for being such a sport.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Janhvi. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun.
I did.
Thank you.